Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Get This App from Play Store error on your Android phone. So if you're trying to open a game or any other app and it keeps telling you to get it from the Play Store even though it's already installed, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the app that's showing you the error message. Go ahead and tap on it like you normally would. You'll probably see the message saying, Get This App from Play Store. Now, don't worry, this is usually just a validation glitch. Next, go to your Google Play Store app. Once you're inside the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top and type the name of the app that's causing the problem. Open it from the search results. If you see an Update button, tap on Update. This simple action refreshes the app's verification with the Play Store, and in many cases that alone fixes the problem. After updating, go back and try opening the app again. If you don't see an Update button, or if the app doesn't work after updating, here's what to do next. Go back to your home screen, tap and hold on the app icon, then select Uninstall. Confirm that you want to remove it from your device. Once it's uninstalled, head back to the Google Play Store, search for the same app again, and reinstall it directly from there. Reinstalling the app ensures you're using the official and latest stable version, which usually removes the error completely. After reinstalling, open the app again and it should work normally without showing the Get This App from Play Store message. And that's it. There's no special reset button for this error, but these simple steps are the most effective way to fix it and get your app working again.